Introduce our IBB series, brass ISO 7241B quick couplings. Widely used in professional carpet cleaning systems. Their primary function is facilitating easy attachment and detachment of hoses, water lines, and spray wands, ensuring seamless operation during cleaning tasks. Crafted from high-quality brass, this coupling ensures durability, resistance to corrosion, and long-lasting performance even in demanding environments. IBB quick couplers offer easy and fast coupling. No tools are required, they can be connected or disconnected in seconds, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. IBB quick couplers comply with ISO 7241B standards and have customizable thread options. They are compatible with various hoses and attachments, making them ideal for different carpet cleaning machines.